Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss how to add the Argon Fan Hat to your Raspberry Pi 3B or 4. After you physically have installed the fan to your Raspberry Pi, go ahead and launch the terminal window. Go ahead and type in curl https://download.argon40.argon1.sh pipe space bash and click enter, and the download will install. As you can see on my desktop, I've already installed it once, my first attempt of recording this video, and I restarted my computer before saving out my video, so I had to record it over again. But the installation takes a few minutes to go through, and at the very end it asks you to restart to get the installation completed. So once this is done, we'll restart and discuss how you can configure it. Okay, the installation is complete, and restart your computer by typing in sudo space reboot. Once your computer is restarted, right on your desktop you can double click on Argon 1 configuration and then execute. Now this will prompt you from terminal if you wish to overwrite the existing default configuration. I went ahead and left it as default. There's no reason for me to adjust it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.